Yeah, today I'm gonna do a skincare unboxing, but this is from another brand. This is from Arctiva. They actually reached out to me on Instagram. They DM'd me asking me if I wanted to try their products, and I was like, of course, because it's an eczema product. So I was like, I have eczema, this is perfect for me. I like to try different brands. I already have a specific brand that I use that I always buy, but it's good to try different things, you know. So first of all, I was so excited to see this package because I love the color. One of my favorite colors is royal blue. It's so pretty. Look, that's the logo. But I want a dress like this color. I want an outfit with this. I want everything with this color. It's just so pretty. I can't stop staring at it. I don't want to throw this away. That's how pretty it is. Like, I know. This, yes, it literally goes well with the season. For my season, Aquarius season. Have you noticed that Aquarius love blue a lot? I'm noticing that, and other people in social media, they usually have blue. Blue is their favorite color, or they use blue a lot. Anyways, side joke. Oops. Then they put a lot of blue things, and I'm not getting paid for this one either. It's just a gifted collab. Most of my videos are gifted. I don't really get paid. I don't think. Yeah, I haven't gotten paid for a video or product that I've got sent that I can't remember. I just have commission of my discount codes, which it's very hard for people to use your code and make money that way, but that's basically not really an actual paid agreement collab, you know what I'm saying? Maybe this year I hope I get my first paid agreement collab. I don't think I received one, did I? I don't know, I have to think, but I don't think so. Okay, anyways, I need scissors. Okay, so finally they sent me this card. It says Arctiva. See, that's the brand name. Okay, so goodbye frustration, hello hydration. All right, this is meant for me. It's good for dry skin. So it's clean label skincare with a medical grade performance. All right, so they have psoriasis cream, eczema cream, and rosacea cream. They asked me which one of those I wanted to try, and of course I said eczema. So yeah, those are the products. This one's the one that I received. You see? Oh, it looks smaller here. Oh, I got the small version, not the big one, which is totally fine. So okay, it's sleek, it's pretty. It's a pump, which is new to me. Usually eczema creams come in creams, squeezy tubes, or like, oh yeah, I guess, but not really like this. Well, the ones that I've tried, you see. So far it looks nice. Let's see. Okay, this is fast acting relief and reduction of itchiness, redness, cracking, roughness, irritation, and dryness. So basically eczema. That's really what you feel when you have eczema. And it says it has no steroids, fragrance, parabens, or sulfates. It's cruelty free and vegan, which I love and I need, because the more sensitive skin you got, you need the more, you know, sensitive skincare product too. So this looks promising. It says apply twice daily or as needed. So yeah, this sounds very good. So did y'all hear that? Damn, you can hear everything clearly. Anyway, so this, like I said, eczema to me is not severe, so I don't have it daily. It's like every month or every few months now I get flare-ups, which means that I get eczema here and there. It's not very severe. And right now, guess what? I don't have any, yay, which is a good thing. So I'm not gonna be able to test it out today. So today is mainly unboxing. So once I do have eczema, trust me, I'm gonna do a try on video. So yeah, I did leave scarring, kind of, but that's also for stress rash. I don't think it's eczema. It's a totally different. Yeah, my skin's been through a lot. I have everything you can name of. So if I recommend a skincare product, it's because it really works. So okay, so that's basically it for this video, because I can't try it out, literally. But yeah, follow them on Instagram. I'll put their details below if y'all are interested to try it out, because I know it's pretty common for people to have eczema, and I've noticed it's because of your diet. So maybe one day I'll have a super strict clean diet to see if that's the issue with me. But yeah, it's also other things, because I've heard a girl said that she turned to vegan, and ever since then she didn't have eczema anymore. So that's why I'm like, I kind of want to test it out. But I've been vegan, well, not vegan, but like few days I eat vegan food, and then I go back with like dairy, eggs, meat. So not so much of a strict diet, but you know what I'm saying. But maybe one day. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching.